Most real estate investors calculate their returns completely wrong, and it's costing them thousands. I learned this the hard way when I thought my first duplex was crushing it at 12% returns until my accountant laughed and showed me the real numbers. Cash-on-cash return is the only metric that matters because it shows you what your actual cash investment is earning you annually. Not the property value, not some fancy appreciation calculation, just cold hard cash flow divided by what you actually put down. Here's the thing that blew my mind. My duplex cost $300,000, but I only put $60,000 down. It generates $8,000 in annual cash flow after all expenses. That's not $8,000 divided by $300,000, that's $8,000 divided by $60,000, which is 13.3%. Way better than my stock portfolio sitting at 7%. The beauty of real estate is leverage. While my REIT friends are getting decent returns on their full investment, I'm using the bank's money to amplify my returns. It's like having a financial superpower that most people don't even know exists. But here's where beginners mess up. They forget to subtract property management, maintenance reserves, vacancy allowances, and taxes from their rental income before calculating returns. I see people claiming 20% returns when they're actually losing money once reality hits. Start simple. Find your annual cash flow after all real expenses. Divide by your total cash invested, including down payment and closing costs. That's your cash-on-cash return. If it's above 8% in today's market, you're winning. The stock market wishes it could give you this kind of control over your investment returns.